happen on children. Be sure to watch them. Well, looks like your car's on the way. If you need anything, just give a little whistle.
Para que disfruten de un viaje seguro, por favor, permanezcan sentados. No vayan a sacar las manos o los brazos, los pies o las piernas fuera del vehículo. Cuiden a los pequeñitos y tengan mucho cuidado con el monstruo.
This is your official
How many minutes, Bernie? Pull up whenever you're ready. Pull up whenever you're ready.
I'll see you under the ocean.
Enjoy your ride.
Bertie, an actor's life for me. Hi, diddly dee. An actor's life for me. Hi.
For me, you are making large